Hi students, welcome to your metals and glass tutorial on how to create your mandala with metal tooling. So first thing you're going to do is cut out your sketch. You do not need to cut out your sketch perfectly, and you do have to leave a little bit of space so you can tape it. Okay, so then the big trick is going to be kind of to make sure that it's in the middle, although you could just cut off any excess on any side if you needed to. Okay, so I'm just going to tape down this mandala I printed out. And I think that's pretty close to the middle. I found 2 ballpoint pens, hopefully one of them works. So yeah, then I have my 2 pieces of felt. I just have them stacked. If you lost them, or I don't know, you want to use something else, you can just fold up a t-shirt or something like that, and that should work as well. I also got the stick that you guys have, and this is going to be used for jump rings later, but I thought maybe that would work for this project too. So all I'm going to do is go over with this ballpoint pen. Nope, this doesn't work. Here it goes. And the only reason I want it to work is so I can see where I've been already. So I'm just going to push firmly. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth and wiggle the ballpoint pen a little bit. You don't want to push so hard that you might break through your foil. And I'm just going to go over it a couple times. If you want to check, you can immediately turn it over and see that it did indeed leave a mark. Okay? So that's all we're doing to begin, is just going over some of our lines here and making sure that we're leaving an indent on our metal. So I'm going to work on that for a little while. Maybe I'll learn how to fast forward. Okay, so I'm not done yet, but I'm going to be done with mine because it's just for a demo. So I'm going to untape my piece. You can see what I've done here. And now the big trick of what we're going to do is really get these pieces to pop up even more, right? So I'm going to take this little stick, and just to show you, like if I go over where I made this little circle, and then I flip it over and I go around the circle in these other shapes, I'm going to really make that pop up even more. So if I take a little bit of time and go around this, hopefully you can see. Where's my camera? Will you focus? Maybe not, sort of. But you can kind of see that one is a little more dimensional than the rest of them, and the more I work on that, the more it's going to pop out. So I could go back to this side and also push down on these petals if I wanted to. So again, you're just trying to make, you know, a lot of dimension in these little bits of shapes. And so that'll happen by just going back and forth on your piece and really getting them to pop. So I hope that makes sense. Email me if you have any questions, or join me in office hours too, and I'd be happy to go over anything with you at length. Thanks.